For decades, humanity has looked to the stars with curiosity and ambition, preparing for cosmic threats like asteroids or solar storms. Yet the most unsettling scenario we've imagined isn't a dramatic invasion or a catastrophic collision. It's far more subtle. It's the realization that an advanced intelligence could be observing us, studying our civilization and technology, while we have no control over the interaction. Suddenly, we are no longer the active explorers, but the observed, navigating a universe where agency is limited. This possibility inspires both awe and humility, reminding us to approach the unknown with care, thoughtfulness, and a sense of shared responsibility. The nature of the observation. The interstellar object appears to be conducting systematic observation of Earth, rather than passively moving through space. Its movement, rotation, and sensor orientation all suggest that it adjusts its position to gather optimal data on our planet. Observations indicate that it is tracking technological signatures, such as radio and television broadcasts, satellite communications, and radar emissions, suggesting an advanced form of intelligence gathering. This methodical approach indicates deliberate intent, not random coincidence. The scale and precision of its scanning capabilities imply that it is cataloging Earth's infrastructure, population centers, and technological development. This behavior represents a profound shift in our understanding of contact with advanced civilizations. The power imbalance. One of the most concerning aspects of this observation is the asymmetry of knowledge and capability. While humanity can detect and analyze the object, we remain limited by geometry, instrument placement, and the sheer technological gap between us and the observing intelligence. The object has likely monitored Earth for years, tracking our electromagnetic emissions long before we became aware of its presence. This gives the advanced civilization a vast information advantage, allowing them to assess humanity's capabilities, distribution, and infrastructure in detail. The disparity in technological power is humbling, as it underscores how little control we have over the situation. Humanity is placed in the role of subject rather than agent, facing the challenge of navigating a scenario where our understanding is incomplete, our influence is minimal, and the decisions about interaction are entirely in the hands of a far superior intelligence. Scientific insights and data analysis. The object's behavior has been confirmed through multiple independent observations. Radio telescopes detect directional signals, rather than omnidirectional emissions, aimed consistently at Earth. Spectroscopic data reveal frequency patterns matching Earth's electromagnetic output, indicating a sophisticated understanding of our technological signatures. The rotational and positional adjustments of the object correlate with optimal observation geometry for our planet. These combined data points suggest intentional, systematic monitoring rather than random scientific study. For scientists, the observations present both excitement and concern. The ability to analyze and understand the techniques used by an intelligence so advanced provides insight into the possibilities of interstellar technology, even as it highlights our relative vulnerability. Humanity is witnessing a form of cosmic reconnaissance that is methodical, intelligent, and precise, underscoring both the marvels and limitations of our own scientific capabilities. International and institutional responses agencies worldwide are grappling with how to respond to this unprecedented scenario. NASA and other space organizations are focused on continued observation, careful documentation, and data analysis. International cooperation has increased as nations recognize that this situation transcends geopolitical boundaries, requiring coordinated strategies. Military and intelligence organizations are reassessing their roles, recognizing that conventional defense measures are ineffective against an advanced interstellar presence. The consensus is to maintain preparedness and scientific observation without engaging in actions that could provoke unintended consequences. Institutional responses highlight humanity's commitment to careful, reasoned action, emphasizing research, collaboration, and communication, while acknowledging the limits of our influence over the situation and the advanced intelligence conducting the observation. Philosophical and ethical considerations. Being observed by an advanced civilization raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. Do we have the right to privacy or agency in the cosmic context? Can humanity be judged or evaluated by standards we cannot fully comprehend? These questions extend to cultural, religious, and moral frameworks, challenging our understanding of autonomy and responsibility. The scenario invites reflection on how humanity behaves collectively. As observers may be assessing our ability to cooperate, solve problems, and demonstrate ethical decision-making. It emphasizes the importance of cultivating values such as curiosity, cooperation, and peace. Recognizing that even when direct control is impossible, our conduct can still influence perceptions and outcomes in ways that matter. Psychological and social impact. The awareness of being studied by a highly advanced intelligence produces complex emotional responses. For many, it evokes fear, vulnerability, and loss of control, while for others it inspires humility, curiosity, and wonder. Society must navigate these reactions carefully, balancing transparency with stability. Gradual revelation and measured communication allow time for individuals and institutions to process the information without causing panic. The knowledge challenges our assumptions about autonomy, highlighting the limits of human control in the face of vast superior forces. At the same time, it offers an opportunity to unite humanity in thoughtful reflection and coordinated preparation, turning a potentially alarming situation into one of collective learning and growth. Maintaining agency in observation. Despite the power imbalance, humanity retains a degree of agency in how it responds to the observation. While we cannot control the interstellar intelligence or its methods, we can influence the data it collects through our behavior, decisions, and interactions. How we cooperate, manage crises, and demonstrate rational ethical conduct may shape the perception of our civilization. This represents a subtle but meaningful form of agency. Our choices and conduct can convey resilience, maturity, and preparedness even under scrutiny. By focusing on what we can influence, our communication, collaboration, and societal cohesion, humanity can respond proactively and thoughtfully, demonstrating worthiness and adaptability in a context where direct control is impossible. Looking forward and preparing for the future. The upcoming period represents a critical window for observation, learning, and preparation. Both humanity and the interstellar object are positioned to gather final data before it departs. This time offers a unique opportunity to demonstrate collective rationality, cooperation, and ingenuity. By approaching the situation with calm, coordinated efforts, humanity can showcase its capacity for responsible decision-making. Planning, international collaboration, and reflection on ethical behavior are essential. The encounter is as much an opportunity for growth as it is a challenge, emphasizing that while we cannot control every external factor, we can control our actions, responses, and values. Navigating humanity's new reality. Humanity faces a profound and unprecedented scenario, being observed and assessed by a vastly more advanced intelligence without control over the situation. This reality challenges assumptions of power, agency, and autonomy, provoking reflection on our ethical, social, and technological maturity. While the observation introduces uncertainty and potential vulnerability, It also provides an opportunity for growth, cooperation, and deliberate action. By focusing on preparedness, ethical behavior, and collective resilience, humanity can demonstrate its worth and adaptability even under scrutiny. The experience highlights both our limitations and our potential, encouraging a thoughtful, responsible approach to our role in a universe where observation and awareness are as important as exploration and discovery.